So this video is going to teach you how to create a QR code that will then be able to be scanned by somebody outside of you to access whatever information that you're trying to give them. So the first thing you're going to want to do is log into your QR code generator account that I asked you to create from class. And then once you log in, you are going to see, and if you don't see it, create on this create QR code, and you should see a whole list of options. So the options are going to be website, Facebook, PDF file, app stores, image gallery, MP3 file, along with email, SMS, text messaging, website URL. Basically, a website is if the QR code is scanned, the website is going to take them to a specific website. So if you wanted them to visit your physical education teacher website, then you would enter that website there. If you wanted them to visit a YouTube video, you would enter the website of the YouTube video that you want them to look at. So website is obviously unlimited. You could use it in many different ways. I would highly suggest not linking to a personal Facebook page. A PDF file, if you have a PDF that you want parents to look at or you want a child to look at, essentially if you, instead of creating or sending them the PDF, they can scan the QR code and it brings up the PDF on their mobile device. MP3, this is music, so you have to be careful with copyright issues, but this will send music files, so if someone scans the QR code, you can then get that MP3 file. So the first thing I'm going to show you is how to connect to a YouTube video. This is going to be most helpful within the project that you have to do because you have to link to skill video that you're creating yourself. So you click on website URL and then you simply just paste your website into that little space there and you click next. And then you get to design what your QR code looks like. So again, I'm not going to do Facebook or Twitter. I want something that says scan me. So essentially, if you look to the right hand side, you can have it scan me. You can upload a personal image if you want that. You can change colors. So right now I am going to change the inner eye color to pink because that's what I feel like today. So that changes inside the boxes. And then let's see what the outer eye color looks like. I want to go back to black. Okay, let's say I want to change the background color. That doesn't look really good. How about some blue? There we go. That's going to stick out. All right, so here I have my QR code, and then I click done. So essentially, you have now created your link to the YouTube video that you have. You have your QR code here. It's saved within your file under Manage. And I want to download it to my desktop right now. So I'm going to download it as a medium file, so it's not too big. And then I'm going to save it to my desktop, which essentially I do by dragging it to my desktop. And then when I open it in my viewer, let's get this so that you can see it. Essentially, it looks like that. Now, the next step is going to be inserting your QR code into whatever document you are creating. Let's say that document was a Word document. That's what I'm going to give you an example of right now. So you essentially have your Word document open and you're going to insert a picture from File. So what's going to happen is brings up your desktop or wherever you saved your QR code, and I am going to click on that QR code where it's saved. Right now it's under code PNG on my computer, and I'm going to click insert. Then once I've clicked insert, I'm going to obviously make this a lot smaller because I don't want it the entire part of my page. And I can essentially move it around within Word. And I have my QR code. All right, now instead of uploading the website to the QR code, the PDF file works the same way. So essentially, if you wanted to link a PDF file to the QR code so that when someone scanned it, a PDF file comes up, you would click on PDF file. So double click on that. Then you're going to select the PDF file that you want to use. So I'm selecting what I call an RFA. It's a request for application. I might want to have a poster that is advertising my grant program called Building Healthy Communities. And on that, I would then have a QR code that links to the actual PDF of the RFA for more information. So that's just an example of how one might use that. So then I'm going to click next. And this time I'm going to leave it black and white. I am going to have a thing that says scan me so that people understand what it's for. And actually, in this case, I want to add a logo. So I am going to go into my documents. I'm going to go into my images. And I am going to click on the BHC logo. All right, so I'm clicking on that. It's going to upload it right now. And it was in the wrong format. So we're actually going to go back to select a different logo that is in the right format. We will do a Center for School Health logo. And then it can go right there instead of the word PDF. So that shows you how to do it. I actually don't like that. I'm going to put the PDF there so that people know what it is. I'm going to leave it black and white, and I'm going to see it come up here. Now, one thing that it's important is that you can edit the title. So I want to label this BHC RFA because that's actually what it is. So I'm going to click OK. Now, it's also important to understand that you have the option of changing the PDF. So let's say that the RFA changes from year to year, which it does. So the 2016 and the 2017 RFA are different. And I want to just change the PDF document. When I go to edit, I can upload a new PDF document, and it doesn't actually change the printed QR code, but it changes the material that it scans to, which is pretty amazing because this is basically allowing you to update information, but you never have to reprint flyers, etc. All right, so we have that done. I am going to download it in the medium file format again, and we're going to save it to my desktop. And then I am going to again show you how to put it into a Word document. So I have my Word document here, and this time I'm going to delete this one and this one, and I'm going to have BHC program RFA, and I'm going to insert the picture from file. There it is. We're going to make it a little smaller. And then we have it. So then I can print that. I can do whatever I want with it so people can scan. And then this is the actual code that you would scan. And once you scan, it takes you to that PDF document. All right. So once you're on your iPhone, you need to download a QR code reader. I have already pre-downloaded one, but basically what you're going to do is whether you're on Android or an iPhone, it doesn't matter. But you're going to search for a QR code reader in your app store, and there's plenty of free options. So just go ahead and download one of their options. Mine is called QR Reader, as you can see it right here. And then once your QR reader comes up, it's going to come up as a camera. And essentially that camera is going to scan whatever the QR code is that you made. So right now I'm going to scan this part of my QR code. And looky there, it links me to my YouTube video that I had uploaded online, which is exactly what that QR code was made for. So essentially, my viewers now, because I made my video public, they scanned it and they can see the video that I made on YouTube just like that.